Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So बच्चों, my name is Bhagyashree. Okay, and today, okay, we are going to talk about social science. Okay, so what is social science? क्या आपको पता है social science में क्या क्या आता है? Social science में आती है information, जिसमें आती है information about you. Information about things in general, information about science हो गया, transport हो गया, we're going to talk about history, we are going to talk about geography. So we are going to talk about everything in detail. Okay, so in this book we are going to talk about, say, the world, we are going to talk about the time, the travel, we are going to talk about yourself. Okay, so are you ready to take this journey with me, जहाँ पे हमें in depth knowledge मिलने वाला है about all these different concepts, and I'm sure when you come across these things in reality you are going to relate it in a much better manner, and it's going to be easy for you to understand कि हमारे आस पास ये सारी चीजें होती कैसे है और क्यों होती है. राइट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके आसपास घर है, सो व्हाई डू वी नीड अ हाउस. सो ये सारी जनरल टॉपिक्स है जिसके बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स टेक दिस जर्नी. लेट्स बिगिन.
Chapter 11, Weather and Seasons. So बच्चों, we've already studied about how do we know the time. अब हमको पता करना है कि हाउ डू वी नो कि वेदर कैसा है या फिर कौन सा सीज़न चल रहा है. सो हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट अबाउट दैट. ओके, सो उसके बारे में हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. So we are going to talk about the weather and the seasons of India. So different seasons that are there in India is what we are going to talk about. So let's begin with weather. So weather जो होता है वो दिन में कभी भी change हो सकता है. जैसे when you get up in the morning, okay, it can be very bright and sunny. Suddenly during the afternoon time you see that it's getting darker or clouds आने लगे, okay, and it has now started raining. And by evening the weather is so pleasant, okay, it has stopped raining, it's pleasant and it's getting a bit cold also. So you must have seen that everything is changed during the time, during the day. Sometimes it can be that in the morning when you wake up it's raining, and then by afternoon, okay, the rain has stopped, the sun is really bright and shining, and then evening gets pleasant. So this is how the weather keeps on changing. So there is no particular weather that stays during the daytime. Alright, so the weather of a place may change from day to day. It may change during the same day or over a few days. So it can change, it can stay the same for days together, या फिर एक ही दिन में अलग अलग weathers हो सकते हैं. So the weather, it can be hot, it can be cold, it can be windy, it can be cloudy, or it can be rainy. So change in weather, it is caused by the sun, wind, clouds and rain. So weather तो हमें पता है कि दिन में change हो सकता है या थोड़े थोड़े दिनों के बाद change हो सकता है, but seasons जो है वो particular period के लिए रहते ही है. Okay, so let's talk about the seasons in India. So in a year some months have the same weather conditions. Okay, so although एक दिन में weather windy है, cloudy है, rainy है या फिर sunny है, फिर भी आप देखोगे कि over a period of time the same weather continues. Okay, so these periods of month when the weather conditions remain the same are called सीजन्स. ओके, जैसे 2-3 महीने गर्मी बहुत है, ओके, उसके साथ साथ बीच बीच में एक आध दिन बारिश आ रही है या फिर हवा चल रही है, बट यू विल सी ओवरऑल इट्स बीन हॉट एंड सनी. ओके, सो दैट बिकम्स अ सीजन. Okay, so that season means the period of months, okay, when the weather conditions remains the same. So ये period of months हो जाता है जहाँ पे weather condition same रहती है. Okay, and that is the reason why those are known as the seasons. Okay, so in India the main season that we have are summer, monsoon and winter. Okay, so these are the main seasons that we have during the year. Monsoon को rainy season भी कहते हैं. So You must have seen कि main seasons जो होते हैं वो होते हैं summer, monsoon is also known as rainy season and winter season. But इन seasons के बीच में आते हैं दो छोटे छोटे seasons भी, जैसे कि summers के पहले, मतलब winter के बाद और summer के पहले आता है you have your spring season. Okay, so that's the season which comes after the end of winter and beginning of summer. Then you have another season which is known as the autumn season. ये autumn season कब आता है? After the rainy season and before the winter season. So these are the two additional seasons which come for a short period of time. So let's talk about summers. In many parts of India, we have the summer season in the months of April, May and June. It is hot and sunny throughout the day. The days are long and the nights are short. So इंडिया के बहुत सारे पार्ट्स में, बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में समर सीजन जो होता है वो होता है अप्रैल, मई और जून के दरमियान. ओके, एंड इट्स रियली वेरी हॉट एंड सनी थ्रू आउट द डे. एंड यहाँ पे जो होता है ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन डेज जो होते हैं दे आर लॉन्गर दैन द नाइट्स. ओके, आप देखोगे कि कभी कभी सनसेट तो 7 बजे के आसपास होता है एंड देन इट्स स्टिल ब्राइट अंटिल 7:30, 7:45. एंड देन नाइट, you know, it is shorter. The sun rises early. Okay, maybe around 5:30 only the sun has risen. So in summer season the days are long and the nights are short. Apart from that, during the summer season hot winds blow during the day. Okay, so garam हवाएं चलती है during the day. So people wear light cotton clothes. The houses are kept cool by using coolers, fans and air conditioners. To protect ourselves from a heat stroke, we must drink lots of water and liquids like lassi, fruit juices, lemon water, etc. So, पूरा दिन गर्म हवाएं चलती तो खुद को गर्मी से बचाने के लिए लोग क्या करते हैं, तो ज़्यादा करके कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. तो कॉटन मटेरियल जो होता है it is a very light material. Okay, and it is a very porous material. इसकी वजह से इसमें पसीना रुकता नहीं है. Okay, and it, you know, it gets wiped off immediately and it keeps the person cool also. उसके बाद apart from that people also use coolers at home, fans use करते हैं, air conditioners use करते हैं to stay cool. Now, in order to protect yourself from a heat stroke, कभी कभी गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है, so अपने आप को heat stroke से बचाने के लिए you must drink a lot of water या liquids जैसे कि लस्सी हो गया, fruit juices, शिकंजी हो गई, okay, which is also known as lemon water. We must also avoid outdoor activities during the daytime as the hills are cooler during summer. Many people from the plains go to the hills during the summer season. So summers में generally hills पे थोड़ी सी ठंडक रहती है, तो बहुत से लोग vacation के लिए hills पे चले जाते हैं. They go to the different hill stations on a vacation. Let's talk about the monsoon or the rainy season. In the monsoon season, there is heavy rain with strong winds, lightning and thunder. India gets rain in the months of July and August. Rivers, lakes, ponds and other water bodies filled up with water, and we must carry a raincoat or umbrella and avoid getting wet. सो मानसून सीज़न में बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. ओके, हवाएं भी बहुत तेज़ चलती है, लाइटनिंग होती है, थंडर्स होते हैं. ओके, सो इंडिया में जनरली जो रेनी सीज़न होता है इट इज़ फ्रॉम जुलाई टू अगस्त. ओके, मतलब जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, ऐसे 3 महीने, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर तो होते हैं. मतलब टुवर्ड्स सितंबर द रेन हैज़ रियली डिक्रीज्ड. ओके, सो बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई एंड अगस्त. एंड रिवर्स, लेक्स, पॉन्ड्स, सारे वाटर बॉडीज जो होते हैं वो पानी से भर जाते हैं. ओके, सो इन ऑर्डर टू सेव आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम गेटिंग वेट, व्हाट शुड वी वेयर? वी शुड वेयर अ रेनकोट, या फिर हम अपने साथ अम्ब्रेला भी कैरी कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द ऑटम सीजन. नाउ दिस सीजन सेट्स इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर एंड अक्टूबर. सो जैसे कि मैंने आपसे कहा था, इट ऑलवेज हैपन्स आफ्टर द रेनी सीजन एंड बिफोर द विंटर्स सेट इन. ओके, सो सितंबर एंड अक्टूबर में होता है आपका ऑटम सीजन. Now trees they start shedding their leaves during the season. So कोई कोई ऐसे पेड़ होते हैं जिसके पत्ते गिरने लगते हैं during this season, and the weather also gets very pleasant. End of the season, end of this season is marked, okay, it marks the beginning of winter season. So जैसे ही autumn खत्म हो जाता है, winter sets in. Now let's talk about the winter season. The winter season is experienced in the months of November, December and January. The places that are located closer to the Himalayas like Kashmir, they get very cold in winters. There is snowfall in the mountain areas. During the winters, okay, it is cold and foggy throughout the day. The days are short and the nights are long. सो विंटर सीजन जो होता है जनरली लोग एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं ड्यूरिंग द मंथ्स ऑफ नवंबर, दिसंबर एंड जनवरी. ओके, एंड जो लोग हिली एरियाज़ के पास या हिमालयाज़ के पास रहते हैं, ओके, those areas really get very cold and there is snowfall also in these areas. Okay, so winter के वक्त it is generally very cold and there is a lot of fog around also. So days जो होते हैं during winter season are shorter and the nights are long. Okay, जैसे summers में days are long and nights are short, winters में days are short and nights are long. Clear? People cover themselves with woolen clothes like jackets, sweaters, shawls, gloves, mufflers and woolen caps. So जैसे summers में लोग cotton clothes पहनते हैं, लूज़ कपड़े पहनते हैं, वैसे winters में लोग पहनते हैं jackets, woolen clothes पहनते हैं, okay, jackets पहनते हैं, sweaters पहनते हैं, gloves, mufflers, woolen caps, they protect them from the harsh विंटर्स. ओके, सो हिली एरिया में जो लोग रहते हैं उनके जो हाउसेस होते हैं, घर जो होते हैं, उसके अंदर होते हैं फायर प्लेसेस ऑल्सो. ओके, वेयर दे बर्न वुड एंड कोल एंड कीप देमसेल्व्स वार्म. In cities, people use heaters to keep their house warm. During winters, we enjoy drinking hot drinks like soups. So summers में जैसे कि हम लोग ठंडे चीज़ें पीते हैं, जैसे लस्सी हो गया, juices हो गए. Winters में we prefer to have a lot of soup. Okay, warm items. Okay, warm milk. Because it keeps us warm. All right. So जो सिटी में लोग रहते हैं वो यूज़ करते हैं हीटर्स. However, those people who live in the mountain areas and hilly areas and all, they prefer using a fireplace जिसमें वो कोयला या फिर wood burn करते हैं. Alright? Now spring season, जैसे आप the spring season then comes when? It comes after the winter and before the summer sets in. Okay, so during the months of February and March, just before the summer sets in, we experience the spring season. During this season, flowers are in full bloom. The gardens have beautiful and rare flowers which are a treat to watch. The weather is very pleasant in these months. So, February or March, okay, में आपको आप देखोगे कि जो पेड़ सूखे पड़े, okay, धीरे धीरे you'll see that there are leaves coming out from them, okay, and then you will see slowly and gradually these trees are in full bloom. Okay, there are leaves, green leaves, and there are flowers also on them. Okay, so that's because the summer the spring season has set in. Okay, and इस season में आप देखोगे the gardens have turned beautiful. Okay, there are very beautiful and rare flowers. Okay, and the weather जो होता है वो सबसे pleasant होता है. Okay, because the winter has just gone and the summer has still not started. So it's the most pleasant season of the year. Good to know, the Mughal gardens in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is New Delhi, are open to public during the spring season. So spring season में Mughal garden जो है in which is at Rashtrapati Bhavan at New Delhi, वो open होता है for public to visit and see the beautiful flowers that they have. So check yourself. This season brings rain. So rain कौन से season में आता है? It comes in the season of monsoon. Okay, during which season the trees shed their leaves? So it is during the autumn season. All right. We wear warm clothes during winters. We wear light cotton clothes during summers, and new leaves they grow on the trees in the spring season. So now I know there are 5 seasons in India: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. We wear light cotton clothes in summer, eat light food and drink plenty of fluids. During winters, we wear warm woolen clothes to protect ourselves from cold. So, India में 5 seasons होते हैं: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Okay, summers में हम light cotton clothes पहनते हैं. Okay, light food खाते हैं. We have a lot of fruit juices. Okay, and lot of fluids. Winters में we wear woolen clothes. हम लोग that protects us from the cold. We have a lot of soup. Okay, or warm things. So children, quickly revise this chapter because you have to do the exercises in the practice zone. Okay. A. Oral questions. Which places have snowfall during winter? आपको find out करना है कि कहाँ पे snowfalls होते हैं. Okay, during the winter season. So the places which are near to the Himalayas, you will see that वहाँ पे बहुत सारा snowfall होती है. Which season is the most important for the crops? Okay, crops के लिए कौन सा सबसे important season होता है? It's the summer season. Okay. B. Tick the correct option. The end of the season marks the beginning of winter. कौन से season के end को it's marked as the beginning of winter. Okay, when this season ends, winter begins. Okay, it's the autumn season. Likewise, do the rest of them. Fill in the blanks. The trees shed their leaves in autumn season. Okay. Likewise, do the rest of them. D. Match the columns. Column A with column B. January. Okay. So January is when it is the first month and it falls in the winter season. All right. So likewise, mark the rest of them. E. Answer the following questions. Name the 5 seasons we experience in India. तो आपको लिखना है कि इंडिया में कौन से 5 seasons होते हैं, जैसे summer हो गया, monsoon, winter, autumn and spring. Alright, so you have to write about it and likewise do the rest of the question answers. Critical thinking. You have learnt about all the seasons, okay, of different seasons. हम लोगों ने पढ़ाई की है उसके बारे में. So how would it be if there were no seasons at all? अगर ये seasons ही नहीं होते तो कैसे होते हैं? It would have been summer throughout. कितनी गर्मी रहती है. Okay, it would have been winter throughout. कैसे होता? So you have to talk about how would you feel if it was the same season throughout. Experiential learning. Find pictures of how people enjoy the various seasons you have read about, and you have to stick about them about that in the scrapbook. Okay, and also list different activities that people do during each season. Okay, तो आपको बताना है कि लोग ये अलग-अलग मौसम को कैसे enjoy करते हैं. Okay, उसके pictures भी आपको activity book में लगाने हैं. Okay, और the scrapbook. Life skills and values. Write down the step-by-step recipe of your favorite drink which can help keep you cool in the summer season. So आपका जो भी कोई favorite drink होगा जो summer season में बनाते हो in order to keep yourself cool, उसकी recipe आपको बतानी है. Okay, जैसे for example लस्सी बनाते हो तो कैसे बनाते हो, या फिर शिकंजी बनाते हो तो कैसे बनाते हो. But before you write down the recipe, do reread the chapter and complete all the exercises. Okay.
So children, I am sure कि आपने अब तक जितने भी concepts मेरे साथ पढ़े हैं, those concepts are pretty clear now, and you're going to start relating to them in reality also. So ताकि आपको पता चलेगा कि how much you followed through whatever we have learned. So बच्चों, for that, what else do you need to do? Yes, absolutely true. You need to reread the chapter, revise whatever we have done properly. Okay, do not forget कि आपको सारे exercises complete करने हैं. If there is any project involved, any activity involved, वो भी करनी है. And you also have to share the knowledge about what you've learned with your friends, with your family and everyone around you. Alright, so until we meet again, thank you children. Bye bye.